Are you ready for a fun animal adventure? Once upon a time, a kind farmer lived on a quiet farm with two special friends. Bingo, a playful dog who loved to chase butterflies, and Timmy, a wise old tortoise who always moved slowly and thought carefully. They were the best of friends. One morning, the farmer discovered his vegetables were all chewed up. Carrots had bites, lettuce had holes, and corn was half-eaten. Confused, the farmer asked, "Bingo, was it you?" Bingo replied, "Woof, me? No way, I chase squirrels, not salads." Then the farmer turned to Timmy, who said, "I may be slow, but I'm no veggie thief." The farmer decided to hide and watch that night. He waited quietly until he heard a rustle. Out came, not Timmy, not Bingo, but a family of rabbits. The farmer laughed and said, "Aha! So they were the sneaky snackers." The mystery was finally solved. The next morning, the farmer apologized to his friends. He gave Bingo a juicy bone and Timmy a fresh green lettuce leaf. "I'm sorry for blaming you. I should have trusted my friends," said the farmer. Everyone forgave each other and shared a happy day. So, what did we learn? Don't jump to conclusions. Be patient and kind. And always trust your friends. Thanks for joining this adventure. See you next time.